Hey everyone, this is Judy with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Planners Anonymous Poolside kit, which I just got. This kit, if you know me at all, you'd be like, really? You haven't been to a pool in years. I don't even remember the last time I had a swimsuit on. But here's my thinking. This kit has so much red, white, and blue in it, and all of these kits, they never have just one thing. So even though primarily the theme, and yes, I just cut the box open, so I have not seen this yet. Primarily the theme is the swimming pool. There's never just one theme in a kit. So we've got all kinds of barbecue and fruit and all kinds of stuff. So let's get started. I always get the extra papers and the extra sticker kit. So packed by Katie. If you watch this, Katie, thank you. Everything got to me perfectly intact. So I wanted this kit not because of the swimming suits and pool stuff, but because it's red, white, and blue. So I can use this for Memorial Day, for Labor Day, for Veterans Day, and especially for 4th of July. And I'm always looking for red, white, and blue stuff that I can use for holidays that isn't the same old red, white, and blue stuff. So first off, we have this gorgeous pen. Lots of times they let the gems mix, but this one, I love it. They're gorgeously separate, nice silver hardware on it. This is just a ballpoint pen. It's not really a gel pen or anything, but they write nice and smooth. Here are the washies. So you get 3 washi tapes standard with the kits. I'm gonna get these open, I'll be right back. This is the card that comes with the kit, and the back side, I'm not gonna read it to you, but the back side does list all the things that come in the standard kit. So, but I'll make sure and call out what's standard and what's not. Get ready to take a splash. You're invited to our upcoming pool party and barbecue. Jump in, Brooke. And as you can see, they do a great job integrating different body types and skin colors and hair colors, and I just love it. And there are even guys in most of the kits now. So with that in mind, you always get 3 washi tapes standard with the kit, a nice wide one. And this one looks like it's got a really long repeat. There we go. There are the popsicles back around again. So that entire length is the repeat on that. Get Brooke out of the way. These art cards, these are great to use. I like to laminate them and make covers out of them. So there we go, that's one. Here's the medium washi tape. So it's got the red, white, and blue pool floaties. It's got a little bit shorter of a repeat. It starts about there and repeats about, I think here. Looks like, no, yeah, no, I don't know. That pool floaty, well, maybe it doesn't. Anyway, and then the skinny washi tape is just red, white, blue, white stripes. So this is my second summer. I think I've been a subscriber for about 1.5 years, and they did, last spring, they did a red, white, and blue kit as well. It was an ocean themed kit, and again, I got it in the spring, and I really just looked forward to using it for 4th of July and summer spreads. So they're seasonal without being exactly seasonal, if you know what I mean, and I just love that about them. Okay, so this is all the stuff in the standard kit. You get papers, including a piece of vellum and a piece of acetate, and we'll get in and look at those. You get die cuts, you get a stamp kit, and you get a bonus item. So in this particular case, it's a checklist. There's no magnet, but you could easily glue a magnet to the back and use this as like a grocery list on the side of your fridge. There are 4 pages of stickers, and there are some quote cards. This is the standard kit: the pen, the washies, the art card, all the standard kit. Now they did start a new sticker kit only subscription, so you get this 4-sheet pack of stickers and this additional usually 18-sheet pack of stickers. And then there's also available separately an additional paper pack. So those are your choices. You can get the standard kit, you can add the additional stickers, you can add the additional paper, all piecemeal, as much as individually, or you can not get the standard kit, you can just get the sticker only subscription, and that is just these. Again, you can add the extra paper pack, but you can't add the kit, pieces of the kit. That is one piece right there. So with all of that being said, let's go ahead and start looking at this stuff. We already looked at the pen. Try to put this stuff where you can see it. Put the pen down here. There we go. All right. Let's do papers. We'll start with the biggest stuff on the bottom. So these are the standard papers. And I always look at these. I don't think a kit has gone by where there hasn't been a paper that I didn't want to turn into a laminated cover for my Happy Planner, because those of you that follow my channel know that I like to change my discs and covers about once a month. So this would be great with some red discs or some blue discs for July. So this paper, and all the papers are reversible. You get 2 copies of every sheet, and they're always reversible. So this, and they always have a nice, fully color saturated, like watercolor style backside. So this would be just an absolutely great summer cover art, something like this, so that it would fit a classic Happy Planner. I just think that's so gorgeous and relaxing. Yes, this is meant to be the edge of a pool here, but it's not all about swimming. So love that one. The next one is just a random mix of pool stuff or beach stuff. The beach chair, a water splash, some flip-flops, some bathing suit pieces and cover-ups, a couple different floaties. So just super, super fun. And then the last one is full-on pool, red, white, and blue pool floaties. Pretty darn awesome with a red back page. And then, like I said, you get an acetate sheet and a vellum sheet. So vellum, for those of you that aren't familiar, is a slightly opaque, delicate piece of paper that you can print on. I do vellum dividers. If I didn't want to print my own divider, maybe for July I would want to cut this and cut it into a divider. Since there's no right side up or upside down, I could use it this way so that it would be big enough to be a classic Happy Planner divider, and that way I wouldn't have to print my own. So there's the vellum, and then this is the acetate. So acetate is that clear plasticky stuff, and this one's got a metallic foil, silver metallic foil sunglass print on it, and you can layer those together. I've laminated them and made see-through bookmarks. They're just so much fun. So that is the standard paper pack. I'll put that toward the back so it doesn't blind us. Then you get in the, since we'll just finish going through the papers. This is the add-on paper pack. So you get a second identical piece of vellum and a second identical piece of acetate. These are exactly the same. So now I have 2 of each. And then you get 3 more pairs of reversible paper. So this one's got red roses on a blue background with a slightly lighter blue backside. Nice, gorgeous. This one's just got red, white, and blue stripes. Perfect for anything 4th of July project-wise that you might be planning on doing. A nice gray flip side. And then the last sheet is the gorgeous summer picnic fruit. Just absolutely love this. I love this extra paper pack this time. Okay, so there are 12 sheets of paper, 2 sheets of acetate, and 2 sheets of vellum up there. All right, next, I showed you the stamp pad. So we've got a barbecue grill, relax you're invited, weekend, a pool floaty, some flip-flops, a little splash of water. That looks like a little shot glass. a popsicle, some barbecue tongs, all kinds of fun stuff there. Okay, let's look at the die cuts. So you always get another art card with the die cuts, and it usually matches one of the pieces of paper. And I see lots of little guys in this one, so we'll try not to lose any of them. Oh, blueberries. They're blueberries. And they're stuck. So lots of little blueberries. And I think a rose petal. A couple more little blueberries out of here. Come on, guys. Come out. I just bought blueberries at the grocery store today, because our blueberry bushes have blossoms on them in the front yard, but they don't have any blueberries yet. It's too early, even for the early ones. Okay, a pool floaty. There's another blueberry. Let's see what the art card looks like. It says, enjoy every moment. So again, put this over one of the watercolor backgrounds, and you've got a great, laminate it, got a great cover. Got a pair of sunglasses, a burger, another pair of sunglasses. There's a strawberry to go with our blueberries, some more strawberries, another flower petal, got a beach bag and some flip-flops, a nice sun hat, popsicle, another pool floaty. There's another copy of Brooke, ready to go to the beach. A nice summer drink. There's a rose. A couple of roses in here. Another popsicle. So you can see a lot of these match what was in the stamp pad as well, but are just bigger. There's a barbecue grill, another pool floaty, and there's that refreshing pitcher of fruit tea. So awesome. It's making me thirsty. All right. And then along with so those are printed on cardstock. Nice thick die cuts. Then you get 6 quote cards that coordinate with another little art card. So again, we've got the pool floaties. And then we've got Splash the Day. Oops, there's 2 there. All things are popsicle, not possible. Popsicle. Splash the Day Away. Lazy, hazy, crazy days. Sun's out, buns out. It's appropriate with the barbecue. Red, white, and barbecue. See, definitely could use these for like a 4th of July spread, a non-traditional 4th of July spread, and take the plunge. Love that. All right, and then I'm not going to get into this. It's just and there are no punches or anything. There's no magnet. They're not sticky. It's just a pad of note paper. All right, all that's left, best for last, is the stickers. So the standard sticker pack comes with 4 sheets of stickers. You get the main girl. It said her name was Brooke, and a bunch of deco. You get a second page of deco. So we've got the lanai and the pool floaty and some roses and a little set of patio furniture. You get a set of date covers and date dots. So if you're redating a planner, these are perfect for that. You can do the whole month. This is a foldable sticker. I'm not going to fold mine. Basically, it folds under and then over, and that way when you stick it in your planner, you can write right here, and it's got a little like journaling flip open door there. And then these are some functional stickers. You've got a little weekend banner, some deco. You can write on these little post-it notes and functional dots. These are actually list stickers. They split. So it's a list sticker and a little flag there. And then a couple little functional words. And there's our sneak peek of the next kit. So this is the kit that will ship in May. If you subscribe between the 1st and the 15th of May, you will get Chapter 3, which is the 3rd in the set of Book Lovers kits. I missed the first one. I have the second one, and so this will be the 3rd one. And this one has gorgeous, soft, earthy colors in it. All right, so here's the extra sticker pack. So you get another Brooke, one of the main characters. Here we have, looks like we've got Barbecue Girl and a planner dude, and then the third girl right there. So there are usually about 4 characters in the kit, so there are 4 characters. Here we got a bunch of pool floaty deco. Some roses, both line art and colored in, so that's nice. You can color in your own. You could color those in blue to match the red and complete your red, white, and blue spread, or leave them white. We got some nice barbecue drinks and food and fruit and stuff. More pool floaties. These are double box stickers, this one right here, and they've all got lots of little extra pieces so that this will easily fit in an Erin Condren or in a classic Happy Planner. There's another one that's got a double box sticker, similar to that piece of paper that I said would make a good cover. Love that. Here we've got some functional stickers. Let's slide these all up a little bit. It's too much stuff. When you go on the website and you check prices, make sure you're looking at US dollars and not Australian dollars, because the price is higher in Australian dollars. You need to convert to US dollars. And there's a little drop down, a little box in the upper right hand corner on the website where you can do that, make that switch over. Here we get a page now of functional words. I just love that. Functional and fun. This week, important, this, remember, but then there's also summer on my mind, sunny's on, sun's out, bun's out, that kind of thing. Here's another functional page with another set of date covers. These are solid squares. Here we've got a couple days of the week boxes and some habit trackers. And then you get a set of 4 different, one in each color of the kit, functional. So again, we've got the to-do lists with the little flag at the bottom, some dots, lots of date covers and swishies that are great for writing on. These are divided into 2 little tape flags. I don't know if you can see that, how that's cut. I don't want to pull them off there because I'll never get them back on. So you get 1 in each color of the kit. There's always 4. And then we get the minis. Love, love, love the minis. You always get 1 page of minis that represents the 4 characters doing fun stuff. So she's got her little barbecue tongs. There's Brooke in her swimsuit. We got the one hanging out in the floaty. And of course we got the pool dude. And then you also get a page of minis doing typical functional stuff. So shopping, cooking, more shopping. I guess that's getting groceries. Crafting, a birthday candle, reading a book, happy mail, working on her computer. She's got her phone. He's exercising. So that is it. That is the entire kit. I just like to do these videos. This kit now has already shipped. If they have some extras, you can buy them still, but sometimes they sell out. I don't do this to get you to buy this particular kit, more so just to explain to you what you get in the kit. So if you are interested in subscribing, I will leave a link in the description box for 10% off your first subscription kit. After your first 2 months, you can skip a kit if you decide you don't like it. I've skipped here and there over the last 1.5 years if a kit just isn't to my liking. So I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you make a more informed decision about Planners Anonymous and helps you understand the value and what you can find in the kit. I decorate with these kits all the time. I will definitely be using this kit for at least a spread for 4th of July, maybe more than one. I think it would be fun to do a hand lettering spread. Maybe for Memorial Day I could do a red, white, and blue spread in my lettering planner and use coordinating pens. I think that would be really fun. So anyway, I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you make better decisions about finding some out-of-the-box stuff to use in your planner. If it does, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you!